Hello everyone, I am going to share to you this DIY lotion for dry skin. I'm adding here 50 grams of this cacao butter, which can soothe even the driest skin and treat conditions like eczema. It has anti-aging properties. It is often used for preventing stretch marks. And I'm adding here also the SHEA butter, moisturize the skin, keep it soft, plump, and supple. It improves skin blood flow, stimulates collagen production, and encourages skin cell renewal process. Melt the cacao butter and shea butter in a slow flame. Make sure that your flame is really very slow to avoid burning. Wait patiently until it's totally melt. I'm adding here also this coconut oil, which is very good for the skin. Moisturize the skin without making it feels greasy. It is sprayed well, has antibacterial properties, protect your skin and keep it healthy and youthful. I'm adding here also this sweet almond oil if you need a rich natural oil to get you rid of dry patches and soft irritated skin. Sweet almond oil should be your first choice. I'm adding here also this rice bran oil. It is an excellent source of vitamin A, which has a tendency to penetrate deep into your skin layers. I'm adding also here this essential oil, which is it's from your choice. I like orange because I like the smell of orange fragrance. And let it cool until it's thick the lotion. The mixture should look like this. Once the mixture starts to thicken, you have to start also to whip it using your whisk or electric mixer. The more you whip it, the fluffier it gets. Transfer the lotion to a glass container. If you have also empty bottle for DIY, so use it. Apply a small amount to your skin after every shower while your skin is still slightly damp. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. See you next week. Bye bye for now.